in the last lectures we see the standard integral and how to find the integral of the rational functions, that is the degree of polynomial in numerator and denominator is same, or degree of polynomial in numerator is greater than the degree of polynomial in denominator. Okay. In this lecture we see the examples in the exercise 3.1. Today we see the second example in the exercise. In this example we find the integrals of some trigonometric function, but we know that the integrals of trigonometric function only in the standard form, that is the standard form, it is the integral of sin x, integral of cos x, integral of sec square x, integral of cosec square x. Here now we don't know the integral of tan x. Okay, it is a, we learn in the next lecture. Here it is the integral of, we know only the integral of sin x, integral of cos x, integral of sec square x, integral of cosec square x, integral of sec x into tan x, integral of cosec x into cot x. And in the last lecture we also see the integrals of sin square x, cos square x, tan square x, cot square x, sin cube x and cos cube x. Okay, so to find the integral of trigonometric functions, we convert the trigonometric function in the form of this standard integral and then find the integral. Okay, first we see the first example. Examples in the exercise 3.1. Second example it is, see, evaluate okay, it is example, evaluate. First example, integral of tan square x dx. Okay, we already see this example in the last lecture. Here solution, integral of tan square x, there is no standard formula for the integral of tan square x, so we convert tan square x into, it is a sec square x minus 1, it is a formula for the tan square x. And now we find the integrals. Integral of sec square x, it is a tan x, integral of sec square x, sec square x, integral of sec square x, it is a standard formula, it is a tan x, and minus integral of 1, it is a x, and plus c, it is an integral of tan square x. Okay, here we convert this tan square x into sec square x into minus 1, the trigonometric function tan square x, we convert this into the standard integral and then find the integration. Okay, now next, next example, second, integral of sin 2x upon cos x dx. Okay, here it is integral is equal to sin 2x upon cos x. Again it is not in a standard integral form, so here we use the sin 2x, here we use the sin 2 theta, formula of the sin 2 theta. Now here it is a 2 sin x into cos x, it is a formula for the sin 2x upon cos x, and now cos x get cancelled. Okay, 2, it is a constant, into integral of sin x dx, cos x get cancelled, 2 constant, it is the integral of sin x and it is a standard formula, therefore we can write it is minus 2 cos x, integral of sin x, it is a minus cos x, therefore it is a minus cos x. Now next, see carefully, then next example, third, integral of sin x upon cos square x dx. Okay. Integral of sin x upon cos square x. See carefully, it is integral of sin x upon cos square x dx. Okay. Then this can be written as it is sin x upon cos x into 1 by cos x dx. Okay, see carefully, it is cos square x can be written as in the form of sin x upon cos x, and it is cos x, and now it is tan x into sec x dx. Now this trigonometric function converted as this trigonometric function tan x into sec x, and it is a standard integral form. Here it is a sec x into tan x, and now it is integral, it is sec x plus c. Okay, we convert this trigonometric function, it is not a standard integral form, we convert this into the standard integral form, and then it is the integration, it is a sec x. Now next, it is a fourth example. Integral of cos 2x upon sin square x. Okay. Again here we use the trigonometric formula for the cos 2x. Here integral cos 2x upon sin square x. Now the trigonometric formula for the cos 2x, it is cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x. Okay, see carefully, it is a trigonometric formula for the cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x. Now separate the sin square x, cos square x upon sin square x minus sin square x upon cos square x. Sorry, it is sin square x and then it is cot square x minus 1 dx. Okay, now we find the integral of cot square x dx and minus integral of 1 dx. But here again it is a cot square x, and we know that in the last lecture we see the integral of sin square x, cos square x, tan square x and cot square x. Here we use the formula for the cot square x, and cot square x it is cosec square x minus 1 dx minus integral of 1 dx. Now find the integral. It is minus cot x minus x and plus c, and then last we can write minus cot x minus 2x plus c. It is the integral of this function cos 2x upon sin square x. Okay, see carefully. Now next, example, fifth example, cos 2x, integral of cos 2x upon sin square x into cos square x. Okay, same concept. Here we use the formula for the cos 2x. Cos 2x upon sin square x into cos square x dx, and then cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x. Then separate the denominator, both the terms. Integral of cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, then integral cos square get cancelled here. 1 by sin square minus 1 by cos square, and then here integral of 1 by sin square, it is cosec square, minus it is a sec square. Now we find the integral of cosec square x and sec square x with respect to x, and both are the standard integral of sec square x, and it is the integral of cosec square x, and then it is minus cot x, and it is minus tan x plus c. It is the integral of cos 2x upon sin square x into cos square x. Okay. Now next, next example, integral of sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, see carefully here. Integral of sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Here sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, for the simplification here, multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin x. In denominator 1 plus sin x and 1 minus sin x, that is 1 minus sin square x, and 1 minus sin square x, it is a cos square x, it is a single term. Okay, there are the two terms in the denominator. Okay, when we multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin x, then we get in the denominator it is a single term. Okay, here sin x upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x dx. Okay, now integral of sin x minus sin square x, it is a multiplication, upon 1 minus sin square x dx, and 1 minus sin square x, it is a cos square x. Okay, we can directly write it is a sin x upon cos square x, sin x upon cos square x, and minus sin square x upon cos square x dx. Okay, see carefully here, sin x upon cos square x. Okay, sin x upon cos square here, it is a third example of this exercise. Sin x upon cos square x. Okay, same procedure. It is sin x upon cos x into 1 by cos x minus it is a tan square x dx. And now here integral of tan x into sec x minus, see carefully here, sec square x and minus 1. It is a formula for the tan square x. Okay, it is a standard form, but it is a tan square x. We use the formula for the tan square x, it is a sec square x minus 1, and then the integral it is a sec x tan x, it is a sec x minus tan x, see carefully, and it is minus, it is a plus 1, therefore last it is a plus x and plus c. It is the integral of this term. Okay. Now next, okay, next example is also same as this example. Here we can write here, it is example number 7. Integral of tan x upon sec x plus tan x, see carefully. Okay, integral of tan x upon sec x plus tan x. Okay, now convert this tan and cos, it is tan and sec in terms of sin and cos. It is a sin x upon cos x, and whole to the upon here 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x, and then here integral of sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, here see carefully this. It is see carefully the box. Okay, the 8th example in this 7th example in this exercise, it is tan x upon sec x plus tan x. This converted into sin by cos, and then cos get cancelled here, addition cos cancel, sin upon 1 plus sin x, and this is the example. Okay, solution of these two examples is same. Okay, both are the equal. Okay, sin tan x upon sec x plus tan x, and this sin x upon 1 plus tan x. Okay, we see it is a 2-step, and then we get this. Okay, and then answer is same. Now we see the next example, 8th example. Okay, see carefully this, it is the 7th. Next, 8th example, integral of under root 1 plus sin 2x dx. Here, integral of under root 1 plus sin 2x. Again here we use the trigonometric formula. It is under root of 1 plus sin 2x, it is cos x plus sin x whole square. It is a trigonometric formula of 1 plus sin 2x, cos x plus sin x whole square, and then under root and square get cancelled, it is cos x plus sin x dx. Here we use the formula for 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x, it is a cos x plus sin x whole square, and then it is the integral. Integral of cos x, it is sin x, and it is minus cos x plus c. It is integral of under root 1 plus sin 2x, sin x minus cos x plus c. Next, ninth example, integral of under root 1 minus cos 2x dx. Again here we use the formula for 1 minus cos 2x. Under root 1 minus cos 2x dx, and then it is integral of under root 2 sin square x dx. It is a formula for the 1 minus cos 2x, and then it is under root 2, it is a constant, into integral of sin x dx. Okay, and then it is minus under root 2 cos x plus c. It is the integral of 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x, we use the formula 2 sin square x, and then 2 get under root, and under root sin x, it is sin x. Now last example in this exercise, in this example number 2. Integral of sin 4x into sin 3x. Sorry, it is cos 3x. Okay, then integral sin 4x into cos 3x dx. Okay, here multiplication of two trigonometric function. Okay, now we know the only two rules, that is the multiplication, sorry, it is addition and subtraction, f of x plus g of x and f of x minus g of x. So we convert the product of trigonometric function into sum or difference. Now here we use the formula. Okay, here the formula, see carefully. It is sin a into sin b is equal to 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, Here it is a formula for the sine, it is cos. Sine A into cos B. Sine A into cos B, this formula. Okay. Here we use this. It is 1 by 2 into sine A plus B, that is 4x plus 3x, plus sine 4x minus 3x dx. And now it is 1 by 2 integral of sine 7x plus sine x. And now it is standard form. It is 1 by 2 minus cos 7x upon 7. Okay, and minus integral of sine x, it is a minus cos x, and plus c. We take minus common or write as it is. Minus 1 by 2 cos 7x upon 7 plus cos x plus c. Here we use this formula. Sin A into cos B. Sin A into cos B. It is a multiplication. We convert this into the addition or subtraction. Okay. Here we convert it is a addition, and then we know the addition rule of the addition of the integration, separate integration, and it is a addition. Okay. Yeah. See carefully. These are the some integrals of trigonometric function by using the standard integrals. Okay. See carefully all the examples.